How to enable App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1. Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through enabling the App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1 so you can monitor app activity and stay informed. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone from the home screen. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security from the list of options. Within the Privacy and Security menu, locate the App Privacy Report section near the bottom. Tap on the App Privacy Report option and toggle the switch to enable it. Use your apps as usual to allow the report to gather relevant data. Revisit the App Privacy Report after some time to see details like permissions used, network activity, and web links accessed by each app. Tap any listed app to explore its individual behavior, including its most used permissions and visited domains. That's all for today. Now you can use the App Privacy Report in iOS 18.1 to keep track of your app activity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS tips. See you in the next video.